Namaste. We're working on gentle yoga poses and gentle yoga movements to continue our series so that you have something to work with in the morning, in the evening, or in the afternoon. So let's get right to it. In this series, we'll be working with our knees as well as our breath. As always, we work with our breath. So you want to have a blanket or a cushion for your knees, something to add some comfort. It could be a towel, a very thick towel, or double-ply towels. You can use your blocks if you want to use blocks, or if you have a very large book, you can always use that as well to support you. Let's go ahead and come to our knees, and we're going to work with, in this space, you can let your hips rest on your heels. If that's a little uncomfortable for you, you can roll up your towel or your blanket so that it's like a sausage, and you can place this in between the tush and your calf so you're more comfortable here. As we inhale, let's go ahead and reach the arms up, and if your shoulders are a little wonky today, then go ahead and bend the elbows. And then as you exhale, we're going to twist to the right. Let the left hand take the right knee, right hand behind you. A sweet add is to use a block behind you so that your hand can rest, and then turn to look over your right shoulder. Inhale, reach the arms up or bend the elbows, and then exhale, let's twist to the other side. Left hand behind you or to your block, and the right hand journeys to the left knee. And then begin to take your gaze behind you, looking over your left shoulder. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, right. And continue to move at your own pace. 2 more times on either side. When you're complete, we'll come back to center. Exhale, hands to heart. From here, release the hands down by your sides. Roll your spine. Slowly draw the hands forward toward your knees. And then inhale, slide the hands to the upper thighs. Lift your chest, look up, elbows back. Slide your hands towards your knees, round the spine, chin towards your chest. And then roll your belly forward, roll your chest up, look up, elbows back, gaze up. Exhale, round, belly up and in, nice and deep. And then come back through center, lift the chest, lift the gaze. Exhale, round. Inhale, neutral. Shoulders up, back and down. Shoulders up, back and down. Good. Now, if this is too intense for you to be on your knees the entire time, you can do the same thing seated. From here, let's remove that. We are going to come to seated and extend the legs out long in front of us. From here, we're going to go ahead and bend the knees ever so slightly, or if you'd like to use that blanket or towel underneath your knees for some added support, you're welcome to. Inhale, lift the arms up towards the sky. Exhale, fold forward. Roll through the spine towards the toes. Touch. Inhale, roll yourself up. Exhale, float yourself forward. Inhale, roll up. Exhale, float forward. Inhale, roll up, pause. Exhale, hands down by your sides. Inhale, left knee in towards your chest. Go ahead and remove your blanket. Flex your foot here. Left hand comes down by your side. Inhale, right arm lifts. Exhale, elbow to the outside of your left knee. Stay here. Maybe you look behind you, couple of breaths. When you feel complete, inhale, return to center. Reach the right arm up. Exhale, bring it down. Let your knee drop down towards the ground. If your knee likes to stay lifted, I encourage you to use your block or your blanket and give it some rest. Arms reach up, inhale, exhale, dive forward. Inhale, roll yourself up. And exhale, dive forward. One more time, inhale, roll up. Exhale, dive forward. This time we pause at the top. Inhale, reach up. Clear the space. Exhale, hands down by your sides. Slide your left foot out. Draw your right knee in. Hug yourself here. You can bring it as close to you as possible. Keep the hips squared. If you need to adjust, walk it out, you can. And then from here, we're going to go ahead and take our left arm up towards the sky. Elbow to the outside edge of your right knee, or you can rest it on top. Right hand behind you, create a kickstand, lift the chest. Inhale, gaze up. Exhale, twist. Look behind you. Flex through your left foot. 2 more breaths. And 1 more breath. Inhale, return to center. Release your hand down. Release your right knee down. And again, invite your block or your blanket. I'm going to use a block this time on the other side. Inhale, the arms reach up. Exhale, fold forward. Bow to yourself here. Don't worry about how low you go. Inhale, roll up. Even if it's right here today, exhale, go forward. This is fine. Feel the stretch. It's the quality of the stretch, not how deep you go. It's not a performance. Inhale, reach the arms up. And exhale, fold forward. When you're ready, inhale, float yourself all the way back up. Reach the arms up. Exhale, hands down by your sides. Clear the space. Extend the leg out nice and long in front of you. Shake it out. Maybe a gentle self-massage here. Press into the thighs. Press that energy away. As you slide, gentle with the knees. Slide. And slide it all the way out. From here, scoot yourself down into the center of your mat. Feet planted onto the ground. Arms out in front of you. Begin to roll yourself down. And if rolling yourself down is not something is able to do right now, then just walk yourself down. Bring yourself down towards your mat. Relax your shoulders. Relax your arms. Maybe you bring your feet together and the knees sway out. And this is a really sweet space. You use your blocks and place the blocks underneath the thighs so that they're nice and comfortable here as you rest in butterfly pose for your Shavasana. You can stay here for your final relaxation pose. You can use that blanket as a little pillow underneath your head. And you can also extend the legs out long. Turn the blocks so that they're touching each other and let your legs be lifted here in Shavasana. Find complete relaxation. Take a few breaths here as you settle. Letting go of everything and anything that doesn't serve you. And again, as always, you are welcome to stay in Shavasana as long as you'd like. When you're ready, you'll slowly come out of the pose, come into a seated position. Take your time to get there. Again, you can use any blocks or any props that you need. Hands together at heart, honor your practice, and honor yourself. Namaste.